But you know, I think we're gonna wait just a second on that water bath while the water's getting ready, because this jelly is setting up fast. It's gonna stay hot long enough. So we're gonna go ahead and take us a little break and enjoy this hot pepper jelly, jalapeno, and get us some butter. Put that right there. And we're going to use this jar that's already open. And look at that, y'all. It's already gelling up really great. We're going to slide us some of that on our sourdough bread with some butter. I know it's great with cream cheese as well, but I'm not going to open a pack of cream cheese when I got some butter sitting right there on the table. So I'm going to go ahead and take some of this, take me a little break, and bring y'all right back.